This is a distribution, normal distribution, curve equation thing. So what it does is that it makes use of this equation and gets you to solve for the mean and standard deviation, which is probably maybe the hardest thing that IB will ask you to do, but it's quite simple if you can do it. So what it asks you to do is, I won't explain what it is now, but it asks you to find, what you have to do is that you have to find the z-scores, two z-scores, and then solve for the mean standard deviation using simultaneous equations. So it gives you the information that 20% have a height less than 3 centimeters. So this area here is 0.2, and then 10% have a height greater than 8 centimeters. So area is 0.1. So we know that x, the probability of this thing, is distributed normally with a mean and standard deviation, and we need to figure out what those are. So what you're going to do is you're going to find the z-scores of both. So you're going to use inverse, so in calculator, you go to inverse norm and tail. You're going to do the first one, is going to be to the right. Area is going to be 0.2. And the mean, because we don't know them, because we're looking for z-scores, is going to be 1 and 0. And that comes out to z-score of 0.8416. And we're going to do the other one. So tail to the left, area is 0.1, and mean is standard deviation is 1, and that's pretty bad. And mean is 0. So in this case, we'll look at calculator, you get a z-score of minus 1.28155. So now we can sub these two into here and create two equations. So from here we can get the equation for the first one, which is z equals x minus the mean on standard deviation. And what x is the x variable. So x will be like 3, or x will be 8. So we got 0.8416 equals 3 here. Yep, 3. We did that one first. 3 minus mean on standard deviation. And we have minus 1.28. Let's round, it's fine. 15 equals 8 minus mean on the standard deviation. And we could solve for these algebraically, but an easy way to do this is to just sketch it out in your graphics calculator. It doesn't take that long. So you'll sketch it out, and what you'll do is that you'll put in the equation y equals 3 minus me. No, okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to have to solve for the standard deviation. I get standard deviation equals 3 minus mean on 0.8416. And standard deviation equals 8 minus mean on minus 1.2815. And then, so this is going to be our y. The mean's going to be our x. So we're going to go, that's going to be on our calculator. And this is going to be our second equation. And what that comes out to, 416. Okay. And this is minus 1. Now what you get from here is that he'll draw you a graph. The calculator, not me. you'll get G solve intersect. And that'll look like this. It doesn't really matter which one's which, but what you have now graphed is this is the standard deviation, and this is the mean, and the intersect is going to be what your answers are, because your intersect is going to be when each of these are equal to each other, and when they're equal to each other, their mean will be the same. So here, so you're going to solve for intersect, and you're going to solve the intersect, and what you find, if you did this right, it'll be 4.98 and minus 2.35. Now, the points on this graph come in the form U standard deviation. So that means that U is that and standard deviation is that. So the U is 4.98 and the standard deviation, well, there's no negatives, it doesn't really matter, is 2.35, and that's the answer.